today we're going to go out to do some waterfall chasing. Excited, Lisa?
Very.
Very excited.
Never know what I'm getting into when I go with you.
It's always easy.
Yeah, okay.
Walking through the second growth, getting up to the chasing waterfall day. Pretty easy walking. Wish it was always like this, but what a beautiful hike. She's even enjoying it. Yeah, like wow, eh? Did I not promise you a trail or what? Chasing waterfalls! Right now walking up a valley. Rocks are a bit slippery. But we got this. Check this out for a view. Wow, huh? Incredible view. And Lisa is just coming along. Slippery. Yeah. This is what she came for. Worthwhile walk. Absolutely worthwhile. Cool. Is that cool, Lisa? It's cool? Yeah, it's cool. Woohoo! Blue Ox, Maine. Or no, Blue Ox Valley. Yeah! Chasing waterfalls!